Hello, my dear viewers. This is Dukas Copy Webinars YouTube channel, and you're watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Today is Thursday. The day is Thursday, and it is 10th of August 2023. I welcome you to this live stream where we are going to discuss about price action of a few major currency pairs, a few crosses, and a few yen crosses, bitcoins, Ethereum, Brent, and a few others. So what we are essentially going to do here is that we are going to discuss about the key levels of importance for all these instruments that I have mentioned, and if there is any particular instrument that will be told by our viewers, if there is any request, then we will be doing an analysis of that here live in front of you. While I'm doing this, let me tell you that I'm not an employee of Dukas Copy Bank, so whatever I'm going to say here is of my own opinion. It has nothing to do with the Dukas Copy Bank, and for our analysis purpose we will only be using the candlestick type of charts. Whatever I am saying here should not be used as a trading advice. It is only to let you know about the markets or let you know about the charts, how to read them, and nothing should be used as a trading advice. Okay, please do your own research to trade in the live account. To take you through this webinar, first I will have to take you through this risk disclaimer, which is very essential, important, and after this only we will look at the charts. You can pause the screen here if you want, so that you understand it completely. All right, so first things first, like always, we have the dollar index right now on our chart or on our platform. I want to tell you something here which is very important, is volume. Look at the volumes today. Do you see these volumes are 382 and yesterday it was like 201. Don't you think there has been a huge volume today? It is more than average, more than average. Okay, these are the more than average volumes, and these are the more than average volumes. So you see what happens when there is a volume which is more than average. Whichever direction it is pointing, the price tends to keep moving in that direction. Now from this red candle you might be thinking, oh, the price is going down, so that means this volume is saying that go down. No, we have to break it down the day. Then from this green candle you will know, okay, the maximum volume is on this green candle. That means when the price came to this breakout level, this was a breakout level, okay, and this became a buying area. So now you remember why do I say always that let it break out and then look for a buying opportunity at the retest, because of this. Okay, but nevertheless I did not say you to buy this market here. Why? Because in the longer run we were thinking that US dollar is a selling market. Okay, and there is a high probability that the price will go down towards 100.29 and even towards 97.69. But today, only today, it has given us a hint that the market is not going to go down. It will be bought back even if the price goes down. Okay, now the only problem here is that the price has made lower highs and lower lows on the 4-hour time frame. So we just need to break higher than this level so that we are confirmed that the uptrend has resumed. But I think if you want, you can open a trade before that also. Why? Because these volumes are extraordinary volumes. These volumes are now you may be thinking, okay, but Rakesh, here there was extraordinary volume but the price did not go down. Yes, the price did not go down, right or wrong? You may say this, that Rakesh, there here the volumes are very high but the price did not went down. Okay, this is a general trend of 444. So this is actually US session only, that's why the volumes are high. So there is no particular reason. But yes, in US session the candle is green, there is a high probability that the price is going to go up. So what you can do now is that small channel, and this channel, if now this channel is broken, we will become buyers in this one. Okay, and with this break of this channel, I think this high will also be taken out. So for the dollar index now, 102.63 is the immediate resistance, 102.10 is the support, and later resistance is 103.25, which I think may provide you resistance on the bigger time frame, that is daily. Here there is a confluence of two resistances, one is this falling channel and one is this horizontal level. So around 30th of August, you may find a valid reason for selling the dollar index. But right now, if you want to buy, yes, it is a buying market, but resistance is very close. So I will suggest that do not buy this market because the resistance is very close, and look for a selling opportunity close to 103.25. Euro here, euro tried to go higher today. Why? Because you see dollar index first fell down. Okay, so similarly on the euro first went higher, and then it was rejected at around this level of 1.1047, although it has made an intraday high around 1.1065. But yes, this is a valid resistance because the price failed to close higher than that. That means whenever the price went higher, it was rejected by the sellers, and now you may get a buying opportunity around here. So still now for me 1.1047 is the higher level, that is level of resistance, and on the lower side 1.0912 is the level of support. One more thing that I want to mention about the dollar index is that you might be thinking, okay, now it is a buying market. No brother, it is not a buying market yet. But yes, I have, I think, mentioned above 101 point, no, above 101.27 it is a buying market only. But here it is consolidating. Now you might be thinking that what is this consolidation? Look at this high and this high. This is a steepening highs, and similarly these lows, these are also like this. So there is a possibility that the price will keep rotating like this for some time, and even if it breaks out from here, then this area is a huge resistance from where I am expecting something like this. Okay, so keep an eye on this triangle, at least keep an eye. Rest everything you can now close, rest everything you can close, but keep an eye on this triangle. Okay, you can remove this one. All right, so euro we have covered. Yes, euro, if it keeps falling, then this area should be seen as a buying opportunity. In other case sense, you can also create a channel here. Okay, this is also valid. Yes, so in this case it will come down to this area. All right, like this. So for the euro, 1.1047 is the resistance, 1.0912 is the support, and this is the dynamic support which may be offered by this rising channel. GBPUSD doesn't look so good. This channel is acting as a huge resistance, and the price is now again trading below 1.2738. This is suggesting me that the price is going to test around 1.2590, which is an upswing pivot. Okay, now this low may provide some support to the price, but if the price starts trading below 1.2590, which on the daily is a pivot, this is a pivot on the daily 1.2590. If the price breaks below this, then it will not be a good for the future of the cable. I think then it will look for 1.2307. Looking at this bearish pin bar on the daily chart, it is also a clear indication. A close below the resistance area is also clear indication that yes, now for tomorrow and day after, the price may be headed lower towards 1.2590, and breaking that level will expose 1.2307. So what are the key levels of importance now? 1.2738 on the upside, 1.2590 on the downside. Okay, Aussie here, okay, it has also got the resistance around 0.6609. So whenever the price, I think I have mentioned here that if the price trades higher than this, then we should be looking for a buying opportunity. This was in case of Australian dollar, but you see this is a fake out. The price went higher, but it was rejected very fast. Okay, so we cannot consider it a break, but we should be cautious that there may be a buying emerging in this, because the buyers who have initiated positions here in these two waves, they were able to overpower the sellers who were sitting here. So there is a possibility that the price will start rising from here. I think I have explained this also earlier when I told you how the power is measured of bulls and the bears. So here the bulls power was enough to take over these bears, and since these bears are out, their stop losses have been triggered, so they will be looking for buying. So when they look for buying, what happens is that the price may start observing this channel's low as the fresh support. Okay, but still on the upside, 0.6609 is the resistance. The support is at around 0.6457, but this low may also be seen as another level of support. Okay, so keep an eye on this one also. Talk about the New Zealand dollar. I think I have mentioned about it, that if the price goes to this test this channel or this area, this is a confluence of resistance. Well, this can be only a coincidence, but still, yes, whatever we have said, that is happening. 0.6034 is the support. Below 0.6034, you may observe the levels around 0.5984, which is possible. Looking at this price action, it is, I don't think that somebody will try to buy this market at these levels, at least not the retail buyer will not buy this market. Okay, so there is a possibility that the price is headed towards 0.5984. yes, on the upside now, resistance is still at 0.6120, and on the downside we have first support at 0.6034 and later on 0.5984. Guys, if you have your own views about any of the pair, you can write them in the chat and we can discuss about that also. Okay, here USD JPY, we were expecting the price to break lower from 143.88. It went lower but was bought back immediately at around 143.50 area and is now headed upside. 145.06 is the immediate resistance. After that, we have not marked the levels. No, we have marked 152.00 is the next target. So above 140, no, there is one more. These highs may also be seen. These highs are 148.84. So 148.84 will be the next level after 145. After 145.06. Okay, the next level is 148.84. So let's see how the things unfold. Right now we have 143.88 as the support, 145.06 as the resistance, and if that is taken out, then 148.84 will be exposed in this market. So keep an eye on these three levels. USD CAD, like I told you that we are expecting this level to act as a support, 1.3377, and if this does not act as a support, a push towards 1.3262 may find it as a good support, and in that case we will be looking for 1.3654 as the next targets to our market. Yeah, that's all. So right now the crucial levels: on the downside 1.3377, on the upside 1.3461, later on next level is 1.3654, and on the downside the next level is 1.3262. USD CHF, nothing much, consolidating, upside 8819 and downside 8552. Nothing much. Silver, we are sellers in the silver, and every rise should be seen as a selling opportunity. Below 22.50, 21.29 is the next level. On the higher side, horizontal resistance is 24.03, and this rising trend line will also be offering the resistance like this. Look at the volumes in silver here. Wow, I think I would like to see which side there were more volumes, because I really want to know what is happening in silver. So in silver there is a huge volume here. Even this is not clear. Even this is not clear, but yes, you see that it is finding resistance at these levels, and maybe it is headed towards now 22.50. Similarly, gold will also be headed lower now. 8092 is the next level of support, and 1924 is the resistance on the upside. Nothing much is happening here. Brent, okay, I told you, I think that 87.46 is the level where you may find sellers here. Why? It was based on this RSI divergence. Okay, look at this. So yes, the price is headed lower now. I think break of this level here will open the selling opportunities. 86 point below 86.30 you can sell this market. Why you can sell this market? The price made a high, then it made a low, then high. This low, if taken out, then you can become sellers. If not on 4 hours, then in 1 hour you will know. Okay. Bitcoin. Can you get another buying opportunity close to 29,161? Yes, it is possible. Okay, if you get a buying opportunity, then fine. If nobody buys it till 29,080, then the Bitcoin will go to 28,549 and maybe even lower than that. Right now it looks like you may get another buying opportunity around 29,179. On the higher side, 30,002 is the resistance. On the lower side, 28,549 is the support. Ethereum is also trying to hold at the higher prices, but 1797, if it is crossed to the downside, then the price may dive down to 1621 levels. On the higher side, 2026 is the resistance, and nothing new is happening here. It is just consolidating before the next leg up, I think. Euro New Zealand, we are buyers in this market. Okay, and the targets on the upside are very much higher, 1.9926. Yesterday we have seen a closing above 1.8081. That was a crucial mark, and now that level is acting as a support, you see. Okay, if you switch to 4 hours, you will know that after a close higher, when the price came back to this level, this area started acting as a support, and now the price is already more than 100 points above from that level. So yes, we have given a good close above a crucial resistance, and the price has started upside, and this upside may continue till 1.99 with different levels of consolidations and movements, and like I, I hope you understood, right? 1.9926 is the next crucial level of resistance. Euro against the Australian dollar, like I said, that if you see a close above 1.6785, which has happened yesterday, then this level will be starting acting as a resistance, sorry, support. 1.6785 is now the support for the price. On the upside, we have huge targets around 1.7385. okay, it is almost 500 points from here. 594, 610. So keep an eye on this one, and actually you can buy this market with the target of 1.7385. Australian dollar against the New Zealand, okay, it is also trying to go higher, but I think it may get rejected at 1.0833. Above 1.0833 I want to buy this market, but till the time the price is holding below 1.0833 I will not like to buy this market, and I am expecting a down move in this one. But if it starts going above 1.0833, then I think we should look for buying opportunities in the Australian dollar against New Zealand. What do you guys think? What do you think? Will Australian dollar go higher from here, or will it start falling? All right, let's see. 1.0833 has a confluence of resistance on the way, so even if it is a buying market, it may find some profit booking around here on 17th of August, that is next week. GBPOD, I am looking for selling this market in the long run. Any close below 1.9330 will initiate my selling orders in this one, and my stop loss will be higher than this. So my stop loss will be somewhere around 250 points, and my take profits are huge in this market. My take profits will be around 3400 points. Okay, so this is huge. US dollar, USD, USA 30. USA 30, you also know this as the Dow Jones, and the Dow Jones is also giving us a bearish pin bar at the resistance. That means there is a deeper correction possible in this market. 34,400 levels should be seen as a buying opportunity now in this one if the price starts falling from here. and if you are buying around 34,400, then your target should be 35,845. so what I am suggesting you is that I am suggesting you something like this, that look for buying opportunity here. Okay, so what I can do is I can set a price alert here. All right, cat jpy should be rising. Yes, it is rising, but every time it meets this rising channel, it should be seen as a resistance. 110.52 is the ultimate target, but 109.50 should be the resistance based on these previous highs. So keep an eye on this one. cat chf consolidation, nothing here. GBP CAD, we are biased in the GBP CAD. Yesterday there was this red candle, today there was a bearish pin bar, almost a pin bar, and it will turn red I think by the time of closing. But will that be a selling opportunity? No, brother, that will not be a selling opportunity. That means there is a possibility that it will give you another buying opportunity in this market. Okay, you may get another buying opportunity in this market, so keep an eye on this market also. You may get something like this very soon. Okay, and your target will be 1.7339, because that is now exposed, because the price has started making higher highs and higher lows in this one here. Okay, yeah, but if for some reason the price starts trading below 1.6872, then we should not be looking for any buying opportunity in this market, and we should be looking selling opportunities at that time. Could we look at ODJPY at the end? Is the recent 4-hour pin bar significant? Let me check. Okay, after this USA Tech we will check the ODJPY. So USA Tech is just as we have mentioned that it is moving towards 14,687, and it looks like there is aggressive sell off in this market. It looks like today there is an aggressive sell off, and eventually I think it will settle down close to 14,687, maybe even lower, but right now it is being sold off. So my friend is saying about ODJPY, so let me check that. AUDJPY. All right, so you are mentioning about the 4-hour pin bar, but before 4-hour pin bar I want to check it completely, what is significant and what is not. Okay, the price action at very long distances are not required to be checked, but these previous highs and lows on the monthly are important. So when I switch to weekly, okay, from weekly point of view, this price was making lower highs and lower lows until it broke out here. Then it has started taking support here. After this run to 97.63, the price has taken support at 91.78. So you can make a falling channel on this one on the daily, on the lower time frame. Okay, so if this daily has a falling channel, okay, if this daily has a falling channel, then yes, this falling channel is valid. But on the daily, do you work for Dukas Copy Bank? No, Forex SMC, I do not work for Dukas Copy Bank. I'm an independent analyst, and I'm just appearing on their platform to share my views on the market. So here looks like it has met the zone of resistance here, and you are mentioning a 4-hour pin bar. Yes, so yes, it is at the resistance. It is almost at the resistance, and it has failed to go higher than this previous level of high. So what I will insist, Peter here, in the weekly chart you can see that this market is in an uptrend. Okay, there was consolidation, or you can say pullback. Now this pullback would have been negated if the price would have gone either below 90.25. okay, you see this was the low that the price made before making this high, and before that this was the high. So this high, this low, and this. So 90.25 was the level which would have negated an up move if there was a break of, because this level has not been broken. So yes, this is just a pullback on the weekly, and when you switch to daily, you will see that the price is making lower highs and lower lows. What does it mean? If the price is making lower highs and lower lows on the lower time frame, that means it is a counter trending, you can call it a counter trending channel, right? And here now the price is making higher low, and also the price is making lower high. So this is a consolidation. So my request to you is that rather than looking for a selling opportunity in this one, I think you should be looking for a buying opportunity at the breakout from here. Forex SMC is saying, is this platform better than TradingView for analysis? If so, what's the name of platform? This platform is better or not? If you are asking for an independent, honest opinion, then this platform is not better than TradingView. Okay, because TradingView has much more options, or I will say features. But the thing is that TradingView platform is paid platform. It has a monthly subscription. But this platform doesn't have any monthly subscription, it is free. So if you start comparing cost with the features, then Dukascopy's JForex is the best platform, which I am working right now. TradingView has a monthly subscription attached to it, but this platform doesn't have any subscription attached to it. Okay, so it is free of cost, and this is very good. This is very good. This platform is JForex 3, and there is JForex 4 also. But for this you need TradingView is free too. You can use it without subscription. Yes, but you will not get a very good refresh rate, not many options. There are many features like trading alerts that you want to use. You cannot use more than one alert on the TradingView. So the functionality is limited if you are not having any subscription. Here there is no limit to the function. So my friend Peter, what I was saying about this, that there is a consolidation right now taking place. If you look at this triangle, I will mark the triangle. This is a little phase of consolidation. Okay, now here this move looks like as if the price is in a downtrend, okay, from the daily. But when you go to the weekly, you will realize that this was an uptrend and now it is just a consolidation phase. So once this consolidation is over, you would like to buy it again. So now on the daily you see that the price was heading lower. So here it was on the 4 hour, it was going lower, lower and lower. Then it found support here. Then it started making higher highs and higher lows. Then it met with the bigger time resistance. This is daily resistance, right? So the price started coming lower. So eventually it will find support again, either maybe here or maybe at these highs which it has taken out. So somewhere it has to find support. Now when it starts finding support, that will be the time when you want to press your trigger and buy this market with the higher targets. And that is because on the 4 hour it is green, or I will say the market structure will be bullish. On the daily it will turn bullish. When will it turn bullish on the daily? Can you tell me from here? When will the market turn bullish? Here. The market will turn bullish at the break of this high around 95.85. So above 95.85 it will be a buy. But if you want to catch it beforehand, then you can catch it here somewhere above 94.95. Okay, or maybe at these broken highs where it must find support. So this is your own discretion where you want to buy this market. You want to buy it here or you want to buy it here. That is your discretion. But if you can catch it around 93.97, I think you will get a lot more pips than before. And first weekly target should be 97.67 because this was the recent high that the price has made. Later on 98.58 may be targeted in this market. All right. Peter, did you get the idea what I just told you? Even if you want to sell off this market from this bearish pin bar, this bearish pin bar is intact and it is good. Your question, initial question was that could you look at DJPY, is the recent 4-hour pin bar significant? Yes, this is a significant pin bar because it is on the resistance, but also keep an eye on the bigger time frame, and bigger time frame, that is daily, is a sell. It's okay, not a problem. But when you come to weekly, you will realize that this is a buying market, so the daily trend has to stop somewhere. The daily trend has to stop somewhere. And look at this 1 2 3 4 5 candles, out of which what the third candle is a bullish pin bar. That means when the price again goes back to 93.97, there will be a lot many buyers who will be ready to jump in. So that's why when I switched to 4 hours, I told you that if the price goes back to this area, you will find a lot of buyers here. So even if you are selling, your target should be 93.97 or maybe 94.05 or something. All right. All right. So that's all, guys, from my side. If you have any further question, you can ask me in the chat box. I'll be very happy to answer your questions. All right, guys, I hope you know about the support and the resistance levels that are of interest in the coming hours and days. Just keep in mind to only risk 1% of your entire capital on any single trade. Okay, do not risk more than 1% of your capital on any single trade. And if you are entering a trade, you should beforehand look for a potential profit of more than 3 times of whatever you are risking. If you are risking 0.25%, it should minimum give you 0.75% on that trade. If you are looking for 1% risk, then it should give you 3%. So it should be the minimum that you should be looking for. If it gives you more, then it's good, but if it is less, then you should not press the trigger and you should not enter the trade. Now with this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this video insightful or useful for you. Leave your suggestions in the comment section and please consider subscribing to the channel for more such webinars. Have a good day. Thank you very much for watching. Peter is saying, thank you, Rakesh, that was very insightful. Oh, thank you so much for the compliment, and we'll see you tomorrow again. That will be the weekend live stream, last day of the week. Okay, see you tomorrow at 1700 hours. Bye bye, take care.